Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave, and this is my Toyota Altezza.
All right, so it's loud as out there right now because they're doing road work, but got the throwout bearing and some grease for this. Part number will be in the description as always. Woo! All right, we need to get this off here. But how? Probably like that. That's rooted. I don't know how that goes on. Oh, did I put it in front of the camera?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Oh, shit. That's hella dirty.
Yeah, I should clean that shit.
Good call, bro. I've been wanting to put grease in there for a long time because it squeaks.
It really looks similar to chassis grease.
It does, doesn't it? Looks exactly like that. Feed that through. Need to do the spline as well. Get some grease on it. All right, which way round does it go? I want to say that way. Nope, other way. Just turn the gearbox upside down so I can see real quick. I don't think it's hard, I'm just retarded. Oh no, look at this.
Oh no.
On the spline.
Yeah.
That's officially too much grease, so we're just gonna wipe that off real quick. Take the majority of it off. It'll fly out, get on the flywheel, and then we'll have a lack of traction. Thin coating of that, and that's ready to go back in the car. Oh, that. Those ones have to come off. These ones you have to slide in. Oh, if I'm not retarded. How many people does it take to fit a transmission mount? 2.
Not tighten it yet?
Nah, do it in the car, because you might need to do this sort of shit. How are we gonna film this? Just trust me that we put it back in the car? Like, there's no other way it could happen.
From the side! I think under the tyre is the way to go.
Oh. I just don't really want to drop it on my face because I am quite handsome. So this way.
And then
Just gotta watch my face. Yeah, it's on there. I've got it. Yeah, just put it on my belly, breathe in, and then I'll lift up like an air jack, basically.
Round 1, fight!
Oh shit. Oh shit. Don't do it yet. Oh,
You lose! Round 2, fight!
really doing it, Red Bear. No, it doesn't want to go. Something wrong.
You lose! Round 3, fight! You lose! Round 4, fight!
Shit. Yeah, you can't.
You lose!
Okay, this
You giving up?
No, gotta think about it first.
The clutch is probably not lined up. If I did f it up, it won't be the first time. Masking tape doesn't stick for shit. I wonder if we were even close. You reckon it's fine? Yeah, so I didn't all right, it's just that we suck.
I do want to take off the transmission, man.
You can do that, sure. They're only finger tight. Yep. So I'll come around the other side. I can't get this bolt out, bro. There we go. These bolts suck. They could have done it better. Poor design choice. Vibratechnics. Look at that hip action. Shit.
Shut up. Shut up, Dave. Gyrating the shit out of it. No, this is fun fighting. Jesus. Ugh.
How'd you do this on gravel is what I want to know. I'm stuck on something. Oh, what, we're rotated.
Yeah.
That'll do it. With this close, it just won't go in. It doesn't want to come out now.
There we go.
It's your time to shine. Your time to align. Yeah, what's the bet that as soon as you do this, it'll just go straight on? I'm not even doing this, I'm just chilling. Straight in.
No, it's not even gonna line up.
No. Whoa, shit. Where are you going?
Maybe it'd be better. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, a knee pad would be fire.
Can you
Shit, careful of that.
help me out
Fall
with
on your face.
Thousands of tears later.
Straight in, come on.
First we gotta go through this line.
Oh, straight the
In, right there.
Straight the in. We're in.
From here.
Ugh, that sucked. As you can tell from how dark it is, this took a long time. Batteries died. Nothing really complicated to say except that make sure your pilot bearing is lined up. That's all our problem was. Once it was perfectly lined up, it went straight in. Roy honestly did most of this because he was already lying here and he just did it. So that's nice of him. Thank you to Roy. I've already sat in the car and pressed on the clutch. It feels really good. All the bolts are done up around the gearbox. Fantastic. All the bushes are done. Lightweight flywheel, exceeding clutch, Nissan 6th gear. Wiring's done. So yeah, that's where we're at. Sorry I couldn't film all of it, but sometimes you got to make a choice. Get the work done or film. The filming always has to come second for me. Maybe one day the filming will come first, but definitely not on this car. This car needs to be back on the road.
One eternity later.
Gonna put the gear stick back in.
12 seconds later.
It's just 4 bolts. Make sure you've got the little plastic cup on the stick before you begin. Line it up and then hit the top with a hammer and it should just plop straight in. The moment of truth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. It goes into 6th. So that should work. Reverse? Yep. Alright, well, preliminary test looks okay. Won't know until I've got a diff whether it actually works or not. Just putting this rubber back through. Can be done with the metal in place, as you can see. Slide it over that. Now this one, yeah. So let's do that. Kind of difficult with one hand. Is it though? It's not really. Done. I'll line up those holes, put the bolts back in, and we're done. By far the hardest part about all of this was putting the gearbox back in. The rest of it was just mental. Like getting over the whole I'm pulling a gearbox apart thing, and also this doesn't fit the way I expected it to. I think this goes up, over, and then yeah, it goes under here, doesn't it? Yeah. What's this one? Tuck that under there. Yep. Put through there like that. That should be. Is that it? You back in? I think we're back in. Chuck the gear knob back on. Screws that go in the side that go over the top.